Greetings, I'm Father Bill, the pastor of St. Mary in the Knobs, and I want to thank you for your participation in our raffle. It is our primary raffle this year, and we truly need and appreciate your help. All the proceeds help us educate our students in our parish.
And I'm Tracy Jansen, principal of St. Mary in the Knobs Catholic Church, and I thank you for your support and participation. And at this time, we will do our January early bird draw. And the winner is Robert Eisenhower. Robert Eisenhower of Spring Grove, Illinois.